are you modeling your children? And in order for us to really make a difference, in order for us to really show that chiropractic is possible, we have to get to the kids. I know you see in your practice, but we see it in ours. Kids sitting on the waiting room chair that are not checked. They're not checked. And parents who believe that chiropractic is so solely for back and neck pain that why on earth would their children get checked? So CAs, if I leave you with anything that's procedural, have a script to invite the kids to get checked. Know who has children in your practice. And invite them to get checked, put pictures up around your office, put posters up around your office, have coupons, have referral days, have pediatric weeks, so that it's in somebody's realm of possibility that we see children. And in fact, it's critically important for us to see children. Not only for the next generation's health, but for their paradigm, because they will choose differently when they believe differently. I am really honored today because I have a special guest speaker, and I know this is going to be the highlight of your Harvard experience. I have to say it. It was the highlight of mine, and I'm living in Dinah. Felix Harvey is a 10-year-old chiropractic baby. His dad is a chiropractor in Australia and the president of the Australian Spinal Research Foundation. They have a wonderful practice in Melbourne, Australia, and we met them a couple of years ago. Felix's little brother Ted is here as well. And Felix sat in my class for most of the day in New Zealand when I was speaking to New Zealand College in September. And I got emails after from people saying, oh, your son is beautiful, I can't believe he sat in the whole session with you. So I'm here to say, I would be honored if Felix is not my son. I want to give credit where credit is due to Dr. Harvey and Nicole for mom and dad. And what I would like to do today is listen to Felix describe chiropractic and his paradigm at 10. Ready? Okay. Now, do you want to stand on the stage or do you want to stand here? Okay. So I'm going to stand on this one. We can see you. You go ahead first.
Hi, my name is Felix. I'm 10 years old and I live in Melbourne, Australia. To explain chiropractic, I said, you know how your brain controls your whole body? It's like a master computer running how healthy and happy you are, as well as how well you do everything. The way your brain controls everything is by getting messages from every part of your body so it knows what's going on. It then sends messages back down to those parts telling you what to do. These messages get disturbed your body doesn't function properly. This can happen if one of the bones of your spine is stuck and it's not in the right position. This is called subluxation. Chiropractic fixes subluxation so I can be my best sport and feel. I think it's great.